Actress Rita Dominic and media mogul Fidelis Anosike have become parents to a set of twins. The couple, who got married in a secret ceremony in 2022, welcomed a baby boy and a baby girl in a Lagos hospital last week of August 2023. The twins are doing well and that Rita and Fidelis are very happy and grateful. They also said that the couple have not yet made an official announcement or released any photos of their newborns, but they are expected to do so soon. Rita Dominic is one of the most popular and acclaimed actresses in Nigeria, with over 100 movies to her credit. She has won several awards and accolades for her performances, including the Africa Movie Academy Award for Best Actress in a Leading Role in 2012. Fidelis Anosike is the founder and chairman of Folio Media Group, a leading media and entertainment company in Nigeria. He is also the publisher of the Daily Times, one of the oldest newspapers in the country. He has 3 children from his previous marriage. The news of Rita's twins at the age of 48 has sparked a lot of reactions from fans and celebrities alike, who have congratulated the couple and wished them well. They got engaged in December 2020 and shared photos of their rings on Instagram. They later had a low-key wedding attended by only close family and friends.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.